Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if your contacts disappeared or are missing. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're going to your contacts and there are a bunch of contacts that are missing from this list, say you've just updated the iPhone to the latest iOS and a bunch of these contacts are missing, there are 3 steps I'll walk you through to get those contacts back. Now, the very first thing that we'll do is we will head into our settings here. And then at the very top, we can tap on our name for iCloud. And then again, we'll tap on iCloud where it says iCloud. Now you can scroll down and about midway down, you can see the option for contacts. If this is toggled off, make sure contacts is toggled on. This will bring in all of your contacts from iCloud over to your iPhone and sync them up with your iPhone. So if some of them are missing from your phone, but they're on iCloud, it'll push them all over to your phone. Now that's the first step. The second step that we'll do is we'll go back out of here and we'll scroll down until we find contacts. Right under mail there's contacts. We'll tap on that and then tap on accounts. Now you can see these are all of the accounts that your iPhone is pulling in contacts for. And you can go through this list and make sure that your Gmail account or your primary email account is added to this list to manage your contacts and sync up your contacts. So for instance, I can tap on my Gmail here, and if you don't have a Gmail account or your primary email added to here, I'll walk you through those steps, but you want to make sure when you go to your email that contacts again is toggled on. So you want to bring over all of the contacts from any of these emails. Now, if you don't have an email address that you primarily use on here, you can hit the add account button and then let's say Google here and then hit continue. And here you'll just log into your normal Google or Gmail account, and this will sync up all of your emails from Gmail over to your iPhone. And if they're disappeared, they'll push them over. Now, the very last step that we'll go through is we're going to hop out of settings there and we're going to go into our contacts app itself. Now, sometimes when you update or maybe you've accidentally press a button on your contacts and messed up the settings, that your contacts are not fully removed. They're just kind of hidden off of the main page on here. To show them again, we can tap groups at the top left here, and you can see here all of the options for contacts to bring over and show on your app. So potentially if you have, say, Gmail toggled off and you're looking at your contacts and there's a bunch missing, you could always go back to groups and toggle Gmail on or any one of these on so that you see all of the contacts that are in your contacts list. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.